The BYD F0 is a compact city car produced by the Chinese automaker BYD Auto. Launched in 2008, the F0 quickly gained popularity in various markets due to its affordability, fuel efficiency, and practicality. Designed to cater to urban commuters, this hatchback is known for its small footprint, making it an ideal vehicle for maneuvering through crowded city streets. This article provides a comprehensive analysis of the BYD F0, covering its history, specifications, performance, market impact, and comparisons with competitors. History and development. The BYD F0 was introduced as part of BYD's strategy to expand its presence in the affordable automobile segment. Inspired by the Toyota Aygo, the F0 was designed to offer budget-conscious consumers a stylish yet economical car. It was one of the first major attempts by BYD to penetrate the compact car market and compete against established small city cars in developing regions. The car gained traction in China and several international markets, including Latin America, the Middle East, and parts of Southeast Asia. Its low-cost and efficient design made it an attractive option for first-time car buyers and individuals looking for a secondary vehicle for urban commuting. Design and features. Despite its budget-friendly price, the BYD F0 features a modern and appealing design. The exterior boasts a rounded shape with smooth curves, compact dimensions, and a stylish front grille. The headlights are uniquely shaped to give the car a distinctive look, while its overall size allows for easy parking and maneuverability. Inside, the F0 offers a minimalist but functional interior. The dashboard layout is simple, with a digital instrument cluster providing essential driving information. Despite its small size, the car provides reasonable legroom for front passengers, while the rear seats can accommodate 2 passengers with moderate comfort. The seats are upholstered with durable fabric, and the storage space is adequate for everyday urban use. Key features include power windows, air conditioning, a basic audio system, and optional safety features such as airbags and ABS, anti-lock braking system. While it does not come with luxury amenities, the F0 provides essential comfort and convenience features for budget-conscious buyers. Performance and engine specifications. The BYD F0 is powered by a 1.0-liter, 3-cylinder petrol engine capable of producing approximately 67 horsepower and 90 Nm of torque. This engine is paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, which delivers a balanced combination of efficiency and performance. Some models also offer an automatic transmission for added convenience. Given its lightweight design and compact size, the F0 delivers impressive fuel efficiency, averaging around 5 liters per 100 kilometers, approximately 47 miles per gallon. This makes it an excellent choice for city driving, where fuel economy is a primary concern. The car's suspension system is tuned for comfort on urban roads, with McPherson struts at the front and a torsion beam axle at the rear. While it is not designed for high-speed performance, the F0 offers a smooth and stable ride for daily commuting. Safety features. Although the BYD F0 is a budget car, it incorporates essential safety features to provide a secure driving experience. Some of the key safety elements include dual front airbags, available in higher trims, ABS with electronic brake force distribution, EBD, reinforced body structure for improved crash protection, seatbelt reminders, and child lock functionality. While the car meets basic safety standards, it lacks advanced safety technologies such as electronic stability control and multiple airbags, which are more common in higher-end vehicles. Buyers should consider these factors when assessing the F0's safety credentials, market impact, and sales performance. The BYD F0 has seen considerable success in emerging markets due to its affordability and practicality. It became a popular choice for young professionals, small families, and fleet operators looking for an economical solution for urban transportation. In China, the F0 competed against domestic and international small cars, such as the Chery QQ and Suzuki Alto. Outside China, it gained traction in Latin American countries, where budget-conscious consumers sought reliable and cost-effective vehicles. BYD's aggressive pricing strategy and focus on offering low maintenance costs helped the F0 establish a strong market presence. However, with evolving consumer preferences and stricter emissions regulations, the demand for gasoline-powered city cars like the F0 has gradually declined. BYD has since shifted its focus toward electric vehicles, EVs, and hybrid technology. Reflecting global trends in automotive innovation, comparison with competitors, the BYD F0 competes with various city cars in the subcompact segment. Some of its closest competitors include Chery QQ, another Chinese city car. The Chery QQ offers similar affordability and fuel efficiency but has a slightly different design approach and feature set. Suzuki Alto, known for its reliability, the Suzuki Alto has been a long-time competitor in the budget city car market, offering a well-established brand reputation and fuel-efficient performance. Toyota Aygo. While more expensive than the F0, the Toyota Aygo provides better build quality, refined design, and advanced safety. Features: Hyundai i10, a slightly higher-end option. The Hyundai i10 offers a more premium feel, advanced technology, and better overall refinement. Compared to these rivals, the BYD F0 stands out in terms of affordability and value for money, making it a strong contender for budget-conscious buyers. Ownership experience and maintenance. One of the advantages of owning a BYD F0 is its low maintenance cost. Spare parts are relatively affordable, and the vehicle's simple mechanical design makes it easy to repair. Regular servicing and proper maintenance ensure that the car remains reliable over the years. Owners appreciate the F0's ease of use, maneuverability, and fuel efficiency. However, some common concerns include limited power output, basic safety features, and relatively simple interior materials. Despite these minor drawbacks, the F0 continues to be a practical choice for city driving. Conclusion: the BYD F0 represents an excellent option for urban commuters looking for a budget-friendly, fuel-efficient, and practical city car. While it may not offer high-end luxury or advanced technology, it provides essential features and a cost-effective solution for everyday driving needs. As the automotive industry moves toward electrification, BYD has begun phasing out traditional gasoline models in favor of electric vehicles. Nonetheless, the legacy of the F0 remains significant in BYD's history as an early success in the small car segment. For those seeking an affordable and efficient city car, the BYD F0 remains a viable option, especially in the used car market. Its practicality, low operating costs, and simple yet effective design ensure that it continues to serve urban drivers around the world.